Hello friends. Today we are going to learn as to how to count the number of triangles in any particular triangular grid of this kind. In order to find the number of triangles in any arrangement of this kind, first we have to be aware of a sequence of numbers. I have created that sequence of numbers after doing it manually and observing one particular trend over there. So what exactly is that trend? I will show you there. Once you are mastering that sequence, counting the number of triangles will be very easy for us. So the sequence goes like this. It starts with 1, with a like it will increase by 2, it will become 3, then increase it by 3, that will become 6, then increase it by 4, it becomes 10, then increase it by 5, it will become 15, and so on. So remember, you need not by heart this sequence as such. You try to understand the property of this sequence, that's enough. I repeat, the sequence starts with 1, increase it by 2, then this will become 3, then increase it by 3, that will become 6, then increase it by 4, it will become 10, then increase it by 5, it will become 15, then increase it by 6, it will become 21, and so on. So keep on increasing the difference by 1. So if you want the next number in the sequence, we are already done with 7 difference. Next number will become, like it will increase by 9, hence it will become 37, and so on. Now, how that sequence is going to help us in counting the number of triangles of this particular kind? The only thing that you have to keep in mind over here is to find the number of triangles, you just count the number of layers in this format. Layers are 1, 2, 3. We have 3 layers over here. If you have 3 layers, you ensure that you are picking up 3 numbers from that sequence starting with 1 and write it over here. Hence, as I have 3 layers over here, I am taking 3 numbers of this sequence. So 3 numbers of that sequence are 1, 3 and 6. What you have to do here is simply add vertically. So the vertical sum is 10. Plus, there are some more triangles. Then after you adding vertically, you go in reverse order, leaving the last number, take alternate numbers and add. So here we have only one alternate number, that is 3, I am adding it. That will be 13. To give more clarity, let's see one more example here. Now in this second diagram, if you check, the number of layers here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 layers over there. As we have 6 layers, ensure that you are taking 6 terms of that sequence and write it over here. So if I take the 6 terms of that sequence, 1, next it will be 3, 6, 10, 15 and 21. These are the 6 terms. As I told you, go for the vertical sum here. So the vertical sum here will be 56. After adding the numbers vertically, go in reverse order, leaving the last number, go in reverse order, taking the alternate numbers and adding them. So the alternate numbers we have here in reverse order are 15, 6, 1. So 15 plus 6, 21 plus 1, 22. Add it. Will give you 56 plus 22. In total it is giving you how much? 78. As simple as that. So whenever you are willing to find the number of triangles that are there in any triangular grid of this form, you always can go by using this method. That will give you the answer in the fastest way possible, and that will be the accurate answer you are going to get. Let's see one more example of that kind, where I am taking in total 9 layers here. Okay. Let us see one more example of that kind, where I am taking 9 layers over here. So number of layers in this diagram are 9 in total. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. As I have 9 layers over here, as I already told you, you take 9 terms of that sequence, write them vertically and just add them. So if I am taking 9 terms of that sequence, 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, till here I have already shown there are 7 terms here. The next difference has to be 8, which will be 36. Next difference has to be 9, hence it has to be 45. Now the first thing that you have to do here is take the vertical sum. If we go for the vertical sum here, adding up to 4 plus 6, 10, 20, 35, 56, 84. 84 plus 36 will give you 120. 120 plus 45 will be giving you 165. So vertical sum here is 165. Once you are done with taking the vertical sum, you have to go for the sum in reverse order, taking the alternate terms, leaving the last term. Leaving the last number, I am taking the alternate numbers and adding them. So if I take the alternate terms over here, alternate terms are 36. 36 plus 21 will give me 57. 57 plus 10 will give me 67. 67 plus 3 will give me 70. Adding it. 165 plus 70 should be equal to how much? 235. This is how you can count the number of triangles in any diagram of this kind. And this is a regular model that is appearing in many competitive examinations like SSC, CGL, CSAT and RRB and many other competitive examinations as well.